Nice trick. What do you do for an encore?
Which way?
There.
Polaris, she's been abducted.
Indeed, Charles. It appears we both have a grievance with Apocalypse.
Nightcrawler, we've located the professor. It's okay to teleport in.
Will do.
Get him to the X-Jet, Nightcrawler. We'll meet you there.
As you wish.
All right, let's go.
Right.
Looky here, a target. Give me back up.
Best in what I do.
Let's try that again, shall we?
This one's mine. This ain't good. Back up.
If you insist.
Sure thing.
Yes.
Right.
Affirmative.
Keep back. This one's mine.
Victory is mine!
You ain't seen the last of me. What have we here?
Yes! More power!
How typically feeble.
Yes, the next level.
What have we here?
I'm wrong as a hurricane!
Greetings. This location is known as the Sanctuary, a retreat of Magneto's. It will serve as our base of operations while we're here on the island of Genosha. Several days ago, Apocalypse attacked the city of Genosha. Magneto and several of his people were able to escape, but the rest of the populace was trapped. After helping to rescue me, Magneto requested the X-Men's aid in freeing Genosha. I could hardly refuse. Apocalypse is far too strong for either team to battle alone. I realize this is a stressful situation, but remember, thousands of lives are depending on us. We must learn to work together. Talking to people around camp will activate your objectives. To receive briefings, activate the mission computer here to my side. Right now, you should speak with Sabretooth. He requires aid in finding a mutant he had helped escape from Genosha. Good luck.
Time to take action.
I've been aching for a good scrap.
Gambit. Juggernaut. Nightcrawler. Jean Grey. Scarlet Witch. Sunfire. Sabretooth. Bishop. Colossus.
All right, team, let's roll!
Salutations, my friend. It's most agreeable to see you. Having difficulty coming to a decision.
I will comply.
Affirmative.
Sure thing.
I will comply.
If you insist.